If you're encountering the meeting not starting issue on Google Meet, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable and strong internet connection. You can do this by testing your connection speed or trying to access other websites. Step 2. Refresh the page. Sometimes, simply refreshing the Google Meet page can resolve temporary glitches. Click the refresh button on your browser or press F5 to reload the page. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Clearing your browser's cache can help eliminate any corrupted data that may be causing the issue. Go to your browser settings, find the option to clear browsing data and select cache images and files. Step 4. Update your browser. Make sure that your web browser is up to date. An outdated browser can cause compatibility issues with Google Meet. Check for updates in your browser settings and install any available updates. Step 5. Restart your device. If the issue persists, try restarting your computer or device. This can help reset any processes that may be affecting Google Meet's functionality. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the meeting not starting issue on Google Meet. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Google support for further assistance.